Level up your Halloween look this year with this sleek ghost eyeliner using Posh Beauty Play Pot in shade Whiteout. First, create a sharp winged eyeliner with a winged inner corner as well. Then taking a small little detail brush, I'm going to create this shape that's going to be the ghosts. And I'm going to fill that in with the cream play pot. I'm going to do about 3 of these. Basically, the technique is just to create a water drop shape and then fill that in. For the eyes and mouth, take a small black eyeliner and create the small little details very precisely. It helps to rest your finger on your cheek so that you are stabilized. The eyes should be smaller than the mouth. I'm going to apply that cream play pot underneath the lower lash line on the lashes using a fan brush. Here's the finished look, and you can try this look with Posh Beauty's Haunted Hues bundle, which you can get at shopposhbeauty.com.